What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the WordPress Logout link to your WordPress website navigation menu using block WordPress themes. So themes that does not have under appearance the menus tab. How to apply the logout link next to the login link. This is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. So let's get this started. First thing, log in to your WordPress dashboard, review the WordPress dashboard and look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your photo. Handy, your name, hover mouse over your photo, and right here you have your name, edit profile and logout. So hover a mouse over logout, click with the right button with your mouse and click into the option copy link address, just like this. So now we have the logout link. Where to apply this? Review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance and click into the editor next to themes. Wait while the editor loads. Now you're gonna click into the menu head, the header option, the header side of your site, okay? So between the logo type and the menus. You can click on the menus. You can see into the upper left corner of your screen an option called header and next an option called edit. Click on it. Now once on edit, click into the menu once again. And right here you're gonna be able to see a little plus icon called add block. Click on it. Or simply click into the plus that appears between the menu headings, just like this. You can add a paragraph in the case that you want. Or just enter a link. Here are all the options you have to apply headings on your menu. You can enter the heading into text, into the right corner of your screen. You can change for log out, just like this. You're gonna hit the Save Change button into the upper right corner. And now, if you go to the WordPress Live website, let me save the menu. And here is the result I have, the logout link. Of course, I can change the position, I can change these options to make it bold, to make it italic, for example. Hit the Save Change button 2 times, and here is the result. Simple, easy, and works for free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth with 3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.